Click on the link below to get price. The Aipas M1 Pro electric bike stands out in the crowded market of electric bikes with its impressive specifications and performance features. Firstly, the 1800W peak motor provides exhilarating power that enables swift acceleration and a top speed of around 30 miles per hour. This makes it an ideal choice for both commuting and leisure rides, allowing riders to tackle hills and rough terrains with ease. The bike is designed with a sturdy aluminum frame, ensuring durability while remaining lightweight for easy handling. The adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars contribute to a comfortable riding experience, accommodating various heights and preferences. The inclusion of a 48V20A lithium battery is another highlight, offering a remarkable range of up to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and the assistance mode used. This extended range makes it suitable for longer journeys or daily commutes without the constant worry of battery depletion. The Aipas M1 Pro features a dual suspension system that significantly enhances comfort, absorbing bumps and rough patches on the road. Coupled with 20-inch fat tires, the bike provides excellent traction and stability, making it a great choice for both urban environments and off-road adventures. The hydraulic disc brakes offer reliable stopping power, ensuring safety even at high speeds. Additionally, the bike comes equipped with a bright LED headlight and taillight, providing visibility during nighttime rides. The integrated LCD display is user-friendly, providing essential information such as speed, battery life, and distance traveled, allowing riders to keep track of their performance easily. On the downside, assembling the bike can be a bit challenging for those unfamiliar with bike mechanics, and some users may find the weight slightly cumbersome for manual transportation. Nonetheless, the overall performance, range, and comfort of the Aipas M1 Pro make it a fantastic investment for anyone looking to dive into the world of electric biking. Whether you're commuting, exploring, or simply enjoying a leisurely ride, this electric bike is sure to deliver an enjoyable experience.